Okay, this is a quick video to demonstrate the Tesla brake switch, which I believe might be faulty. So I've just got my multimeter there, and so again, if I touch two leads, you get the beep and sound and everything. So if I attach this one to the first terminal and go to all subsequent terminals, no continuity. So if I go to the second one, I get continuity here, not here. Go to the third one, nothing. Okay, so if I put it on the second one, push it here, so I've got continuity. If I do this, nothing happens. Okay, if I go to this first one, again to the second switch. Okay, so nothing happens. Third one, nothing happens. Fourth one, nothing happens. Go to this third one. So again, I believe this to be faulty. So this is another brake switch that I have, and this is how I believe it should work. So again, we've got so continuity there. So again here, if I clip it on this first one, so I get continuity here. And when I press the brake, it goes away. When I bring it back, it comes back. So again, this is a working brake switch. The other one does not appear to be.